The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is not just a car, it's a stunning revival of classic style that will turn heads everywhere. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia has always been a symbol of elegance and sophistication. Its original design, introduced in the 1950s, captured the hearts of many with its sleek lines and charming presence. The 2025 model promises to revive that classic appeal with a modern twist. Modernizing classic cars is a delicate task. It's easy to lose the essence of what made the original car special in the process of updating it. The designers of the 2025 Karmann Ghia faced the challenge of incorporating modern technology and safety features without compromising the car's vintage charm. They had to carefully balance nostalgia with innovation. The result is a car that pays homage to its predecessors while embracing the advancements of the 21st century. The 2025 Karmann Ghia boasts a sleek exterior that closely resembles the original but with refined features. From its distinctive round headlights to its curvaceous body, every detail seems to echo the past. Delving deeper into its design, the 2025 Karmann Ghia features updated interior amenities, including advanced infotainment systems and enhanced safety features. The classic simplicity of the dashboard remains, but with modern instruments and controls. This blend of old and new creates a driving experience that's both nostalgic and thoroughly contemporary. The design elements don't just stop at aesthetics, they also contribute to improved performance and efficiency. The 2025 model is equipped with a more powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, making it a pleasure to drive. Whether cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Karmann Ghia handles with ease. One standout feature that truly captures the essence of retro elegance in the new Karmann Ghia is its meticulous attention to detail. From the chrome accents to the luxurious upholstery, every element exudes a sense of timeless style. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia successfully marries nostalgia with modern technology, offering the best of both worlds. Its classic design ensures it will be a head-turner, while its advanced features make it a practical choice for daily driving. In conclusion, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia embodies the perfect blend of retro charm and modern sophistication. What do you think about retro car designs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the most iconic classic cars that have made a significant impact on the automotive world.